But Gracie, you know how much I love you. You know, you're one of my favorite people in the world. But I've got to tell you, I don't have a problem with you being a lesbian. I just don't want to be a lesbian with you as much as I love you and think you're beautiful and you have lush skin and... But I don't flirt that way. Gracie, have grace on me a bit. You walk around here flaunting yourself with your large, babbling breasts, as white and lovely as satin, creamy satin at that. I think you might be of the devil. That's what I think. I think you try to tempt me into your loveliness. I shan't be tempted. I simply shan't be tempted.